The 2007 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power windows, passenger airbag. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.